Come, let me show you Masquerade. Come. Let me show you Masquerade.
They want to freestyle. This guy is an international artist, though. Una suppose contribute money for this village. Go put together with whiskey. This guy is sing international.
Do you see Masquerade?
I don't hear anything like it.
Masquerade is talking.
See internationally, see lyrics, see song. In fact, this same song they go record on. Ladies and gentlemen, still put your hands together again. I think because more watching freestyle. I got one more freestyle, yeah. Understand? Super song going up for that, and he's doing well. No time. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to call on the third person. Understand? Naughty Records. Naughty Records, are you ready? DJ, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's bring it up for Ja Multi. Ja Multi, are you ready, DJ? Drop it for Ja Multi, no time. Are you ready? All the way from international. We're ready up for Ja Multi. Are you ready? Ja Multi, take this one.
Yeah. It's a memory on the program. If I get my cousin, I'm gonna call my cousin. I can't call my cousin. I'm gonna call my cousin. What am I getting? I'm saying, okay, yeah. There's a nominal. You go queen. Yes, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. I'm rapping on the making a sweat to have a attack, eh? Oh my God, this thing is happening. I'm going to come against who I used to stop me. Open the door. Oh, no, Macasia. Oh my God, Sapakata at the big. Oh, in Africa. So what the land? Me and my dad. Boys the guy. Okay. Don't tell me, don't they say something. See my family and my friends, I go live down. Then I hit my hands on my chest like a king cook and nacho. If I go get a couple hip hop. Yes, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. I'm rapping and they're making a circle and the tag. Eleha. One Eleha. I got to make my dad boom. Eleha. I got the twist picture made in a present feature. Want to be the best in my own generation. DJ play the beat. Me and my goons now in the mood. Carry it up for her head like that. Many guys, they go like that. Hell. Oh, well, change it. Yep. Pull up on the street, we're going to cook. Change your movie.
Follow me, let me show you.
You know what I'm saying? Voila.